Alright, so this question says, what is the greatest integer value of n such that 3 to the n is a factor of 99 factorial? So, quick refresher here, a factorial is just a number times every integer less than it. So for example, like 5 factorial would just be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? So this question is asking what's the greatest integer value of n such that 3 of n is a factor. That sounds really confusing, but it's really not. Literally all this means is how many 3's are in 99 factorial, right? Like how many times, how many multiples of 3, how many factors of 3, just how many 3's really. If we were to break this down into the prime factorization, how many 3's are in 99 factorial? So for example, for a number that is for a number in which 3 to the third is a factor, there's going to be at least 3 3's because, there's already 3 to the third is a factor. So in this case, we're trying to find, well, how many 3's are in 99 factorial? And 99 factorial, like I said, was 99 times 98 times 97 times 96, all the way down till, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So how do we find the number of 3's in this? Well, obviously there's 1 3 right here, and then there'll be another 3 at 6, and we can keep going, but we're not going to count out all of that. We're just not doing that. So one way to find what the number of 3's is, well, how many, first off, multiples of 3's are there? Because any multiple of 3 is going to have at least 1 3 in it, right? When we're thinking about this in terms of prime factorization. So we have how many multiples of 3 from 1 to 99? Well, that's simple. Every third number is a multiple of 3. So 99 over 3, that's just 33. Sorry, that's 33. So we're doing 99 divided by 3 to get that there are 33 multiples of 3 in 99 times 98 times 97 in 99 factorial, essentially. But this means we're missing something, because what about the number 18? We're multiplying somewhere in here by the number 18, right? And so 18 is 9 times 2, which is 3 times 3 times 2. But there was only 1 3 that was counted as part of 18, because 18 is a multiple of 3, but we only counted it once because it's a multiple of 3. So we counted that 3, but what about this 3? We didn't count that 3. We have to count everything that's a multiple of 3 squared twice, because we counted it once in the original sweep, but there are 2 3's. There's not just 1 3. So we have to also find, well, how many values of 3 squared are there? How many values of 9 are there from 1 to 99? And this is the same sort of process. We're going to do 99 divided by 9, because, of course, every 9th number is going to be a multiple of 9, to get that there are 11 numbers in which 3 squared is a factor, because we have to count those again. What about 27, though? Because, let's say the number 54, this is equal to 27 times 2, which 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. And so we counted this first 3 when we were getting all our multiples of 3. We counted the second 3 when we were getting all of our multiples of 3 squared, of 9. But we still have to count this third 3. So what we're going to have to actually do is we're going to find, well, how many multiples of 27 are in here? Because for all of those, we're going to need to count our 3's 3 times. So how many multiples of 27 are in 99? Well, we got 27, we got 54, and we got 81. So that's 3 different multiples. We can't go higher than 81 because that would be higher than 99. So that's 3 multiples, and so we can just list them out, 54, 81, because there's so few of them. And then we actually have one more thing. There's one number, 81 specifically. 81 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. It's 3 to the 4th. So we counted 3 of our 3's already by that same process, but we still have to count that 4th 3. So 81 is 3 to the 4th, and there's 1 of it. And so the number of 3's in 99 factorial is going to be 33 plus 11 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 48. So there are 48 3's in 99 factorial, which is pretty crazy. That means that 3 to the 48 is a factor of 99. Isn't that huge? But in any case, the answer to this question is 48. The greatest value of n such that 3 to the n of it is a factor of 99 factorial is 48.